Look, we love tools, but let's be honest, there are more virtual assistant tools out there than there are Netflix shows you've half-watched and forgotten. And not all tools are created equal. Some tools help you glide through your to-do list, like a productivity pro. Others just make you wish you'd stuck with paper planners and Post-its. So today, we're diving into the virtual assistant tools that actually matter, the ones every VA should implement into their daily workflow to make work smoother, faster, and way less chaotic. Let's break it down by categories because organized chaos is still chaos. Communication tools. Great communication is the backbone of remote work. These tools make sure no message slips through the cracks. Slack. Keep team convos organized and on topic. Zoom, face-to-face claritiven from miles away. Google Meet, fast, browser-friendly, and built into your calendar. Project management tools. To-do lists are great, but scalable project tracking, even better. These tools keep projects visible, collaborative, and on schedule. Asana and Trello, simple, visual, and highly customizable. ClickUp, a power users dream for managing every layer of work. Scheduling and calendar tools. VAs manage time like air traffic control. These tools keep calendars clean and appointments stress-free. Calendly, let others book your time without the email back and forth. Google Calendar, reliable, intuitive, and syncs with just about everything. Time tracking tools. Tracking time isn't just for billing, it gives you insight into where your effort goes and where it shouldn't. We have selected the following tools to make every minute count. Toggle, one-click tracking that feels effortless. Clockify, a solid free tool for teams and freelancers alike. Finance and administration tools. Money moves matter. These tools help VAs manage invoices, expenses, and financial tasks with confidence. We have selected the following tools to keep your books and sanity balanced. QuickBooks and FreshBooks. All-in-one accounting tools for small businesses. Expensify, receipt, scanning, and expense reports without the headaches. Social media management and content tools. Content doesn't post itself. These tools help VAs plan, design, and publish across platforms efficiently. Our picks include Buffer, Later, and Canva. From design to post, streamlined and scheduled. Add Zapier or Make to link everything behind the scenes. AI tools. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic idea, it's a real productivity booster. These tools help VAs automate tasks, enhance communication, and create content faster. ChatGPT. Draft emails, generate ideas, summarize info. It's like having a writing assistant on call. Grammarly. Write clearly and professionally with real-time AI-powered suggestions. Otter. AI record and transcribe meetings automatically for easy reference. CRM tools. Customer relationships are everything. These tools help VAs manage contacts, track communication, and keep follow-ups from slipping through the cracks. HubSpot CRM. A robust, user-friendly platform to organize leads, contacts, and email workflows. Zoho CRM. Flexible and feature-rich, perfect for growing teams. Pipedrive, a visually driven CRM for tracking sales, calls, and client status with ease. Here's the twist. Most VAs have these tools, but just having them isn't enough. Because if they're not being used, implemented, or connected into your daily operation sits, like owning a blender and never plugging it in. Without implementation, tasks fall through the cracks. Data gets repeated. You spend half your time managing tools instead of using them. But when tools are set up properly and synced into the workflow, your calendar updates automatically. Invoices send themselves. Reminders, tasks, and follow-ups just happen. Zapier found that integrating daily tools can save up to 20 hours per week. That's 2 full workdays, or 4 guilt-free afternoon naps. So yes, there are a lot of virtual assistant tools out there, but the real difference comes when VAs choose the right tools and actually implement them into their daily routine. Because productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing smartly with tools that work together. And the best VAs? They're always experimenting, testing, and evolving their tech stack. That's why at RemoteAces, we stay ahead by constantly learning and integrating the latest tools into our operations, so busy professionals don't have to. Smash that subscribe button if you're all about saving time, letting smart tools do the heavy lifting, and putting an end to the endless tab chaos once and for all. Question for you. What's one tool you can't live without as a busy professional? Drop it in the comments. We're always curious what's in everyone's stack. See you in the next one with more productivity tips and smarter ways to work better.
You're stretched too thin.